how to make commercial quality B-roll. Hey guys, my name is Aria. I'm a filmmaker. Before we get into the video, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification. I made many YouTube shorts about how you can create video transitions. If you've been one of my subscribers, I'm sure you noticed them. But if you don't, you can check out this playlist. So let's say you learn all these transitions. You even made a B-roll with all of this. And now, how can you make money from that? How can you make a commercial quality B-roll? How can you exactly introducing a product? And how can you make a B-roll like this? Hit the like button and let's see the B-roll. Let me know down in the comments what your thoughts on this B-roll. Like I said before, you need to practice all these transitions. Practice how to shoot this video for a transition and how to edit them. Practice them, repeat them many times until all of these transitions stick into your minds. And as you can guess, I made that B-roll with, again, my Canon crop frame DSLR with a kit lens, and all these shots was handheld. So how can you actually make that kind of B-roll? First, like I said, practice, repeat. Second, choose your subject and the environment you want to shoot video in. Third is that design your transition, design your B-roll from beginning to finish. Fourth, and the most important, is tell a story. I don't mean tell a story in like short films or feature films like that. No, just a simple story. You have to start in point A and finish in point B or even in point C. You have to go somewhere with your video, not like you shoot everything and after you made something that people don't actually understand what's going on. Tell a simple story. That's it. And fifth is shot list. Make sure you write down every shot, because when you are in a project, there's a client, there's actors, or maybe you forget some of these shots. So you need to have a shot list. And then adjust the exposure settings on your camera, shoot videos, edit them, export them, something like this. And there you have it. But keep in mind, you don't want to overdo your transitions. It's okay to have a jump cut. It's okay to have simple cuts in your editing. Not every shot in your video needs a transition. Keep the B-roll simple but interesting and tell a story. Alright, thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. If you do, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification. And I will see you all next time.